For the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, a new security patch update is rolling out. In this video, you are going to see the update process and my review after using the mobile for a few days after installing this update. So let's start. First, coming to the update size and details, the size is 755 MB, and after installing this update, the mobile's security patch is upgraded to the April security patch. In the update description, it shows fix bugs and improve stability with this update. I have already started downloading the update. Once it completes, I'll start the installation process. The biggest problem with Motorola mobiles in the past and even today is update quality. Even though they release mobiles at very affordable prices, the quality of the updates often misses the mark. Many users have already noticed issues such as motherboard dead problems, screen flickering, abnormal battery drain, and lags after installing updates. If Motorola fixes this one problem, I think it can easily compete with other brands in this price segment. During the update process, don't press any buttons and make sure the battery level is above 30% to stay on the safer side. Also, there is no data wipe going to happen after this update. If you want, you can still copy your files as a precaution. Alright, the update took around 20 minutes to complete. After that, I started using the mobile phone for a few days and found no issues. That is the reason why I uploaded this video only after using the mobile for several days after updating it. Everything is working fine and I haven't noticed any lags or glitches. The battery backup is also the same as before and I haven't noticed any battery draining issues. That's the update review of the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. Comment below about your experience with the device, as it will be helpful for those who are watching this video and reading the comments. Also, check the description box for more additional products that can help protect and improve your experience with this mobile phone. Like, share and subscribe for more videos to stay up to date. See you again in the next video.